Hello again, friends. Our next adventure began with a scenic drive right through Madeira from south to north and up into mountains. Somewhere around here. When we exited the tunnel in northern areas of the island, it looked like we had teleported into a different weather zone, and we arrived at our starting point to a light drizzle. But a little rain was never going to dampen our spirit, so undeterred we set out, ready to fulfill the next chapter in our trip's agenda, a nice little walk along the LEVADAS, enjoying the jungle-like surroundings and soaking up the breathtaking mountain views. The walk was truly spellbinding, but after a while our bellies began to rumble, so when we stumbled upon a charming waterfall with a small pond nestled beside our mountainside path, we decided to make it our lunch break and turnaround point. But first, a cool little splash was in order. Re-energized and rejuvenated, we turned back, me making a promise in my heart to one day return and explore the trail even further.